So hi everyone. We are artists and scientists. Our job comprises a lot of skills that we need to master. We have to be good at sales, marketing, IT, and many, many more. The problem is that usually why we fail in our job is what Mr. Yoda says, is that we don't understand data and we are not able to implement and integrate them into our sourcing strategy, and ultimately our result is really bad. You may ask, why should you learn it? Your hiring managers will love you because you understand what you are talking about. Secondary, your job will be more interesting, and of course you will have more money, lots of money. It's not force, it's not some kind of Jedi mind tricks, but you can learn it. It's nothing you can't, imagine to learn. So everyone can do that. So here is my, let's say, Jedi master toolbox, or tools that I use and we use in Accolade. So it's like classical LinkedIn, it's Kumu, it's Search Explorer. I'm going to explain to you all of this detail in more on the following slides. So when it comes to, for example, LinkedIn, I use the Search Insights. It's one of the, let's say, really underutilized feature that can help you implement your strategy. Kumu is an amazing tool for analyzing your own LinkedIn network. It's for free, it's open source project. So you can reveal strengths and weak points of your LinkedIn network. We can do the same with GitHub. So here you can see the 7 best Java developers in Czech Republic. It's a GDPR friendly version. So if you want to find really top talent, this is the place to go to. It's for free as well. Here we have a guy XYZ, so it's a standard GitHub profile, but the problem is that we are not developers. We don't understand what this guy is doing. We just usually focus on this red circled area. But we can change that, right? So this is a screenshot from GitHub profile summary that basically transformed this profile into more compelling infographics that we can more understand. So we can send it to hiring manager and say, look, this is this guy. The exactly same stuff can be done with Stack Overflow. Again, very boring web page, very useful for keywords, by the way. But again, we can change it. I use usually 26 Labs. It's an open source project that, again, is able to help us to transform some very boring information to some very useful information, connections among programming languages, keywords, sub-keywords, everything. Google Trends, again, very useful Google free tool, which is great for analyzing keywords. So here we can see programmer and all alternatives. So we can see which of them are the most popular, which of them are least popular. We can apply it also to market mapping. So here we can see the Czech Republic, and we can see the regions where the keywords are the most popular, least popular. Again, very useful, for example, for advertising. When it comes to keywords themselves, I use Search Explorer. It helps you, if you are in IT recruitment, it helps you to reveal the connection among programming languages and all associated technologies and so on. Market mapping that we do very often, Google Maps and Pinleads. It's a Chrome extension. So here's the map of Prague with most IT companies, or at least that Google has access to. And Pinleads basically sends you all email addresses of these guys. Here's the streamlined process. You need data source, like in this case, the fastest hiring startups in Amsterdam. You need some scraper, and you need some tool for creating a map, for example. And here's basically the input-output. Here's the Excel spreadsheet of fastest hiring startups in Amsterdam. And here's the map that I've created for us. So here you can see, for example, the city center of the city. You can click on the startups and so on. Key takeaways, always learn new skills, always trying to basically implement those skills, and always analyze before do anything else. And since it's a lot of stuff, here's the link on all these tools that you can find here. If you will not have time to take a photo, please message me. I will send them to you, and thank you for your attention.